जी आपके लिए एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट। सही लग रहा है। जी आप मैडम अभी कैप्टन साहब थैंक यू वेरी मच। लायंस क्लब मीटिंग कैप्टन साहब मैं बताना चाहूंगा ये लायंस क्लब दिल्ली मैच हमारा एक छोटा सा क्लब है दिल्ली का और हमने काफी प्रोग्राम किए हैं और काफी सेवा कार्य कर रहे हैं। तो नवरत्न जी हमारे साथ लायंस क्लब दिल्ली मैच के प्रेसिडेंट हैं। हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर हमारे साथ हैं नवीन गुप्ता जी, हमारे नेशनल डायरेक्टर पास्ट लॉयन विके लुथरा जी हैं और हमारे जो एम्बेसडर हैं कॉमर्स के लॉयन श्री के गंजू जी, इनको भी लॉयन बनाना जरूर।
तो आप सब लोगों को होली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। होली का त्यौहार बिल्कुल नजदीक है, 29 तारीख को हम लोग होली मनाएंगे। पिछली होली और इस होली के बीच में पता ही नहीं चला कि कब पिछली होली गई और कोरोना ने पूरा समय निकाल के नई वाली होली आ गई। खैर होली की शुभकामनाएं। और लॉयंस क्लब की गवर्निंग बॉडी पर यहाँ पर उपस्थित हमारे नवरत्न अग्रवाल जी, लूथरा जी, गुप्ता जी मैडम और जिन्होंने मुझे विशेष रूप से यहाँ पर आमंत्रित किया है, हमारे आदरणीय सुनील गुप्ता जी और यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी इस छोटे से सभागार में सभी मेरे बहनों एवं भाइयों, मुझे बहुत खुशी है आप सब लोगों के बीच में आने के लिए। मुझे आप लोगों ने बुलाया। मैं बहुत लंबे समय से सामाजिक और राजनीतिक क्षेत्रों में सक्रिय रहा हूँ, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं भी एक सामान्य नागरिक था। इंजीनियरिंग की, फौज में नौकरी करी, फिर रेवेन्यू सर्विसेज में चला गया, फिर बिजनेस भी किया और आज मैं आप सब लोगों के बीच में, आप सब लोगों के लिए ही एक आप लोगों के परिवार का, लॉयंस क्लब के परिवार के सदस्य के रूप में मैं आप लोगों के बीच में हूँ। मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ना कहते हुए मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूँगा कि देश बहुत बड़े परिवर्तन की राह से गुजर रहा है। जितना परिवर्तन, जितना चेंज हम लोगों ने पिछले बहुत सारे वर्षों में नहीं देखा, वो परिवर्तन पिछले कुछ वर्षों में देखा। और बहुत सारे रिफॉर्म्स हुए, लेकिन एक जो रिफॉर्म्स जो पिछले 75 वर्षों में नहीं हो पाया था, वो था एग्रीकल्चर का रिफॉर्म्स। एग्रीकल्चर हमारे देश की बैकबोन है और जिस संस्थान का मैं अध्यक्ष हूँ वो उत्तर प्रदेश एग्रीकल्चर की दृष्टि से सबसे बड़ा प्रदेश है। सबसे ज़्यादा एम्प्लॉयमेंट देता है, सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन देता है और चूंकि सबसे ज़्यादा डिपेंडेबिलिटी एग्रीकल्चर पर है, तो जब तक एग्रीकल्चर में रिफॉर्म्स नहीं होंगे तब तक देश खुशहाल नहीं होगा। एग्रीकल्चर में अगर किसान खुशहाल होगा तो किसान से जुड़ा हुआ जितना भी व्यवसाय है, व्यापार है या जितना भी परचेज पावर है, जब तक आम आदमी की या किसान की नहीं बढ़ेगी तो देश की परचेज पावर नहीं बढ़ सकती। तो मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ सरकार का, उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार की, उन्होंने मुझे कृषि अनुसंधान परिषद का अध्यक्ष बनाया। और मैं आभारी हूँ यहाँ पर लॉयंस क्लब के दिल्ली लॉयंस क्लब के सदस्यों का, जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ पर अतिथि के रूप में मुझे अपनी बात कहने का मौका दिया। मैं पुनः आप सब लोगों को होली की अपनी शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। आप सब लोगों का धन्यवाद और आप सब लोगों का आभार, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू वेरी मच कैप्टन साहब। आपका कृषि
आए और प्रेसिडेंट साहब और आदरणीय हमारे गौरव जी और भाई साहब और सभी जो फैमिली के मेंबर्स हैं लॉयंस क्लब के, और मुझे लगता है परिवार बहुत, मतलब ऐसा है कि सब इसमें आज जुड़ रहे हैं और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जितने लोगों से बातचीत करते हैं, देखते हैं। और आज होली की सभी को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और यहाँ पे आने का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपने हमारे परिवार में आके हमें जो मान सम्मान या प्रेम दिया उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और हम चाहते हैं कि हर बार लॉयंस का जो भी प्रोग्राम हो आप सब हमारे साथ मिलके कंधे से कंधा मिलाएं और कहीं आप जा रहे हो तो हमें भी साथ ले चलें ताकि हम कंधा और बड़ा कर सकें।
थैंक यू। He is editor in chief, he is a television board. मैडम आपके यहाँ से He is editor-in-chief. He is a television board. मैडम आपके हाथ से रंजू जी। थैंक यू मनोज जी।
हमारे इस फंक्शन के क्या जो भी फंक्शन होता है उसके कर्णधार यही होते हैं। लुथरा सर, विकास जी, आपने जैसे बताया आप आर्मी से बिलोंग करते हैं। मेरे हस्बैंड भी आर्मी से रिटायर हुए एज ए ब्रिगेडियर। ही इज आल्सो एन इंजीनियर।
मैं भी आया मात्र I am also from Corps of Engineers. कहाँ रहते हैं?
Gaurav, I stay in Noida, sir, 29 sector.
I stay in sector 28.
Okay, so we are neighbors. We'll catch on some. गौरव जी, आपने जो जयपुर में जो फंक्शन अरेंज किया, उसकी जो दूर दूर तक उसकी जो है गूंज जा रही है। मैं रोज देखती हूँ अखबारों में, अक्सर आपके लिए बहुत कवरेज देते हैं। जीती जी आप बैठी हैं तो इसके लिए कोई कमी नहीं। मैंने आपका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया पे भी, फेसबुक पे और बाकी इस पे यूट्यूब पे हर जगह उस दिन आपका ही एक फंक्शन जो था वो डिले हो रहा था। इसकी मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आप हमारे लाइनिज़म को इतनी ऊंचाई तक ले जा रहे हैं और उसको इतनी महत्व दे रहे हैं। सो दैट कि हमारे जो परिवार है, जो हमारी सोसाइटी है, वो लोग को भी मैं थोड़ा ये बताना चाहूँगी कि हम लायंस, जैसे आप गौरव गुप्ता जी को जानते हैं, हम लोग राहत के बहुत सारे कार्य करते हैं। जो लोग लेस प्रिविलेज्ड हैं सोसाइटी के, हम उनकी हेल्प करते हैं। जिस तरह की भी हेल्प उनको चाहिए वो हम टाइम पे उनको देते हैं। और हमने हमारे इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में 57 क्लब्स हैं जो अलग अलग जगह पे अपना कार्य करते हैं, अलग अलग एरिया को देखते हैं। सो गौरव जी, आपके लिए मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि हमने इकट्ठा एक कैरियर शुरू किया था। सो आज आपकी जितनी तारीफ की जाए कम है। और आपने एक और नवरत्न जी हमारे इसमें लाइनिज्म में जोड़ दिए हैं, वो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है।
हम करते हैं और इंडिया में कैप्टन रहेंगे। थैंक यू सर, आपने ज्वाइन करा।
सर ये हम हर साल करते हैं सशक्त नारी सम्मान। नारी सम्मान कर रहे हो।
आराम से सब हम जिसको टाइम दे रहे हैं जी, आपके लिए एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट।
Take Covaxin, don't take Covishield. Off the record, Noida में।
जी आप मैडम अभी कैप्टन साहब।
Excellency, Gaurav Gupta ji and the team and Lions Club Delhi Veg has done excellent job when they hosted the prize ceremony, the first of their post-COVID. What is your blessings and your wisdom, words of wisdom?
You know, it was a good fortune of mine that I was there. Right from the time we arrived there and right from the time we left, it was all full of excitement, all full of excitement. And more especially the governor of a state coming on the stage and blessing the awardees is very unique. And all those people who were awarded, they really deserve that award. So I wish Gaurav Gupta ji a bright future and continue working like this for the benefit of the society.
One small question that I may also like to ask you, which you have light after shadow. One small question that I may like to ask Your Excellency is that Indian ethos is also what Gaurav Gupta represents. Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, bringing people together from all walks of life. How has been your experience? You have been very much great. You have been always been a guest of honor and a chief guest at many of his functions.
Yes. You know, we were total 6 ambassadors there, and at least another 4 or 5 diplomats of the first secretary and trade commissioners. It is not very easy to invite ambassadors outstation. Locally you may. It is all the blessings of the Almighty on Mr. Gaurav Gupta, and his persuasion skills are excellent. And more especially, he does his work dedicatedly and honestly. So when you know that this person is dedicated and honest, people are going to support you come what may.
The heartbeats match.
Of course yes. And the question is, you might have seen this gentleman. He is 24/7 working for the benefit of the society. You know, right from the religious functions to diplomatic functions to commercial functions, and he is everywhere. And I don't know from where he gets so much of energy and power. I wish him good health. I wish him long life. I wish him best of the things to come his way, because this society needs person like him. This society needs person. It is not easy to organize. It is never easy to organize. 1 or 2 functions you can.
Ma'am, Gaurav Gupta ji and Lions Club Delhi Veg had organized a wonderful award ceremony at Jaipur, where His Excellency the Governor of Rajasthan was there. You had tried to go there, but somehow you couldn't make it.
Yes.
What are your wishes to Gaurav ji and the team that has done the stupendous job? You saw that so many of videos and all the publicity that has come out.
Well, गौरव के लिए तो जितना भी कहा जाए कम है, और उसकी जो ऑर्गेनाइज करने की जो कैपेसिटी है उसको मापना बहुत मुश्किल है। और इन्होंने जितना अच्छे से एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए ये शो अरेंज किया था वो बहुत ही सराहनीय है। आज तक किसी ने भी इतना लेडीज़ को वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए ऐसे शो नहीं किए हैं, और इसके लिए मैं गौरव जी को और उनकी टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ, और साथ में आप मीडिया के लोगों को भी जिन्होंने इतनी अच्छी कवरेज दी और हमारे लायंस के इमेज को आगे बढ़ाया।
Ma'am, I remember during the Corona period you came out with a mask of Lions Club mask, and I was putting that mask at one of the ministry's program at National Media Center, and they asked me where is this mask, and that got a lot of visibility for the good work that Lions Club Delhi Veg has been doing. And you all have organized food packets, ration, medicine, all those together, but as a team that was most appreciated, and I think that needs special mention today as well.
Well, this was Gaurav's brainchild to produce those masks and distribute it to public and the police people and the Safai Karamchari and to our own members. So this became a big hit in the sense that people started recognizing Lions, because once you put that mask, that is the Lion logo and the Lions image. That is very, very obvious in that it is a very very practically he has made those masks and distributed it also like that. And all of us as a Lion family, I really appreciate his efforts and all Lions effort. This year I am a governor of Lion District 321A1, and we have done lot of work in this pandemic year. So how it has passed, we really don't know, because none of my members of Lions Club, they never said that we won't go out and help the people. Then when the public was migrating from one place to another, our people have gone to the clusters of those people where they used to stay in the night, providing them tents, tarpaulin, then food packets, then ration also, so that they can cook as and when they want, and 2 times they used to give meal to them in the morning and in the evening, so they should not go hungry, and the children also. So I really appreciate their work, and I'm very proud to be a Lion District's governor, because of in this pandemic only I could see the NGOs working around, and of course Lions Club and our brother NGOs, Rotary and all NGOs which have come here also. So it was a it taught us many things.
Lions Club Delhi Veg organized a grand function at Pink City, Jaipur, few weeks back, honoring the citizens of India, the ladies and the women who have done excellent job in our society. The main person, the inspiration behind that was Gaurav Gupta ji. Gaurav ji, what inspired you for the award ceremony that you took all the way from Delhi to the Pink City, Jaipur?
Thank you, Pranav ji. Lions Club Delhi Veg is doing this Entrepreneur Excellence Award for last 3 years. Everybody who is doing good work needs some appraisal and some that makes them doing much better, and it inspires others also. So we started this Entrepreneur Excellence Award in 2019. We did in Taj Hotel, New Delhi. Then in 2020 we did in February in Le Méridien Hotel before lockdown. Then this year we got the opportunity to have this third show in Jaipur, the Pink City, Jaipur.
And the most amazing part was His Excellency Governor of Rajasthan, Kalraj Mishra ji was the chief guest, and all the awardees were very happy to receive honor from him. And as you hosted the show, I am told.
Yeah, it was our proud privilege to have the Honorable Governor as our chief guest. After the pandemic, after the lockdown, everybody was in very bad mood and very bad shape. So we took initiative to have host this show in the Pink City, Jaipur, and we get the blessing of Honorable Governor of Rajasthan, Shri Kalraj Mishra ji, who was himself ex-MSME minister, and he was very much enthusiastically and he was ready to welcome the entrepreneurs from all over India. So we get very great response from the awardees. People are from Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, even from Jaipur and Delhi. Lots of people travelled for this award. And our Honorable Member of Parliament Ramchand Vora ji from Jaipur was the guest of honor. Apart from that, we had the galaxy of diplomats and ambassadors in that series. We got the ambassador of Denmark, Comoros, Ecuador and Syria along with us, with their families, and the diplomats and the trade commissioner from Ghana, Korea, Burkina Faso and Panama. They were there. We had a business meet also in the afternoon, and the ambassadors were very happy. And the joy, we had the fashion heritage runway also after the award ceremony, and we will proud to say the ambassador wife of Ecuador, the spouse of Ecuador and the Panama ambassador's wife along with the daughter of Syria ambassador Hiba Abbas took part in that show. So it was an international fashion show. They were wearing the Indian heritage dress, and the icing on the cake was the all ambassadors were jumped with joy, and they danced on the Indian beats. Like Gobar singing was there, and they were dancing like anything. The whole media has covered it like anything. The Jaipur, the Pink City was covered. The next day was covered with the glimpse of the yesterday's event, the fashion show and the award show.
Gaurav ji, more than 30% of the economy of India is run by MSME sector, and most of your awardees were from MSME sector. That is something that brings a lot more success to our country as a whole. When the whole big industries are down, it is the MSME and it is the indigenous industry of India that has taken it as a bang in this situation of pandemic, and awarding them must be a very satisfying moment for you, and awarding the ladies themselves, encouraging them. As one of the ladies said, we don't need anything, we just need encouragement.
Yeah, it's truly sad. In this pandemic, our Prime Minister has given the slogan, Vocal for Local, Atmanirbhar Bharat. So we put this logo only, and we had raised that slogan in Jaipur also, and the people from different regions, not only entrepreneurs, even women entrepreneurs and different sectors people were there who were enthusiastically participating in the show. And it was, even our Honorable Governor was very much happy and he mentioned in this speech he was very much happy to welcome and honor the entrepreneur, MSME entrepreneurs.
लायंस क्लब दिल्ली वेज ने एक और आयाम अपने कार्य में जोड़ा. Lions Club Delhi Veg went to Pink City Jaipur to host the award function and the business meet there. The most amazing part of it was the Excellency Governor of Rajasthan Kalraj Mishra ji gracing the occasion. जो मेन कर्णधार थे वो नवरत्न अग्रवाल जी थे, गौरव जी थे और पूरी टीम थी लायंस क्लब दिल्ली वेज की. Sir, what inspired you to take this award ceremony to outside Delhi to Jaipur and the whole business meet that was very well received, and the governor who was there and all the ambassadors who were present?
हम राजस्थान में इसलिए गए कि राजस्थान में सभी मेंबर्स को एक जगह लेके जाएं जहाँ पे सुबह से शाम तक हम अपने आप को भी समझ सकें और राजस्थान की खुशबू भी ले सकें, और राजस्थान के जो गवर्नर्स और जो हमें पब्लिक बिजनेस मीट भी जो लोगों के साथ में रही वो वास्तव में बहुत एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी रही. और हमारा टारगेट ये था कि हम सब वहाँ पे जाएंगे तो एक दिन रुकेंगे, 2 दिन रुकेंगे, तो हम आपस में एक दूसरे के बारे में जानना, पहचानना, समझना भी रहेगा. जितने भी अवार्डी थे और अवार्डी और सब हमारे साथ वहाँ गए, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
जिन अवार्डीज़ को जो आपने चुना, जिनको आपने ग्रेस किया वहाँ, the most important thing was you were also inspiring them. You are yourself a business tycoon, inspiring young business leaders from MSME sector, from other sector. That must be very satisfying for you, क्योंकि आपके दिल में लोगों को इंस्पायर करना आपके लिए, आपके DNA में.
बिल्कुल, हम भी उनसे इंस्पायर हो रहे थे, हम उनको इंस्पायर कर रहे थे, एक दूसरे को इंस्पायरिंग करते हैं. नेचुरल परिवार का हिस्सा थे सबके सब. और राजस्थान में जाके, बल्कि वहाँ पे जब आदमी फ्री होता है और चीज़ें, कोई काम पे वर्कलोड नहीं होता, खाली एक अवार्ड फंक्शंस होता है, तो उस टाइम में बल्कि मिलना जुलना और बहुत अच्छे तरह से हो सकता है. और हमें अच्छा लगा कि हमारे साथ इतने लोग, इतने जो कर्मठ महिलाएं और लोग साथ में थे, एम्बेसडर्स साथ में थे, और हमारे कालराज मिश्रा जी ने वहाँ पे हमारे साथ में रहे और हमें प्रोत्साहन दिया, हमें आगे बढ़ाने के लिए प्रेरित किया हम लोगों को सभी को.
लायंस क्लब दिल्ली वेज ने पिंक सिटी जयपुर में एक ग्रैंड फंक्शन, अवार्ड फंक्शन ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया कुछ हफ्ते पहले, और उससे भी ज़्यादा बड़ा था, वहाँ पे मस्ती था, फैशन शो ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया सीमा गोम्बर जी ने. What inspired you about the Pink City and the fashion show that you organized? And I'm told it was a runaway success.
Yeah, thank you so much first of all having me here. And you know, when it came as Jaipur, when it was like about Jaipur, that you have to do a show in Jaipur, so only one thing which clicks your mind is the heritage of India, because I think Jaipur is one of the best in terms of heritage. The Rajwadas, the royal thing, everything comes to your mind. So that is the only thing wherein I thought we will do only Indian heritage runway. So that's how it was conceptualized. And we did, we did not do a normal runway, normal fashion walk. It was with the dance, with the groomers, with all those enjoyment, fun and entertainment. So that was the concept. Because it was Indian heritage runway, so we had to invite our ambassadors, our diplomats and all the esteemed people there. So that was one, fabulous part among the entire diplomats, entire ambassadors, that they participated with full enthusiasm. So that was, amazing for us, because it was a kind of a support which made us show super successful. And thanks to Gaurav ji, thanks to Lions Club, that they gave us the opportunity to do this.
And if we talk about Jaipur, the Pink City, and Rajasthan, color and music, you just can't imagine. Yeah. It has to be very loud as it could be. What inspired you in that aspect, if you took some inspiration from Rajasthani color and the music part?
So what inspired us was the Rajasthani attire, that royal attire of Maharanis and all those royal families. That has actually attracted us, and our designers, they designed the outfit thinking that thing in mind. They had all bandhanis, lehriyas, multicolors, all those kind of essence of Rajasthan, essence of Jaipur was there in our runway. So we that actually made us our work so easy, because जहाँ color आते हैं, जहाँ fashion की बात होती है, then we have to play around, and Jaipur gave us so much to play around with colors, fashion, style, bandhanis, bandhej and everything put together, and then royal, of course.
Lions Club Delhi Veg, once you were the president of the Lions Club Delhi Veg, and now Lions Club Delhi Veg has hosted a magnificent and a most successful award show post-pandemic, and it must be very satisfying for you as well.
Definitely, you know, that credit goes to our charter president, Lion Gaurav Gupta ji, and now this Lions Veg Club is headed by Navratna Agrawal ji. You know, we are enjoying his, you know, all the hospitality. He's a fantastic guy. And coming back to our Jaipur mega show, really it was fantastic and one of the mega show which I have attended, and I am the witness. That way I am feeling proud to the team. You know, they organized fantastic program on the Veeron ki Bhumi, one can say, and they selected Jaipur, you know, to, it was fantastic, you know, that way one of the ambassadors were praising Jaipur visit. They spent around 6 to 7 hours in traveling, and they were saying that कि हमने तो छोटी सी कीमत चुकाई है, but that was nothing, you know, keeping the grand success of the program in mind.
Also, it is very important to see, apart from the walking the ramp, music, food, and all the hospitality, you also organize a very, very successful business meet just before the award ceremony. Tell us something about that. And a lot of ambassadors from different countries around the world were there who also participated, looking for the business opportunity in India, and Indian businesses finding opportunity around the world in those countries and beyond.
You rightly said it was a combo offer. It's the one package, you know, that way. If you want to enjoy the B2B meeting, B2B meeting was there. If you want to enjoy the fashion show was there. If you want to enjoy the cultural program, you know, dancing and all things, that was there. Right from the, you know, rightly said by the Honorable Governor, that कि जहाँ कहीं पानी कुछ भी नहीं जाता वहाँ मारवाड़ी चला जाता है. You know, he was appreciating the initiative and the contribution made by the Marwadi to the nation in all respect, in totality. So that was the witness. It was in terms of package, you know, where everything was there. Right, if you name any diplomats, the 10 country representation was there. If you talk about the, you know, bureaucrats gathering, right from the IPS to IRS. You know, a lot of senior bureaucrats were there, right from the, you know, Mr. Soni was there, who is the DGP Anti-Corruption Bureau, you know, Deputy Commissioner Income Tax, Member of Parliament, rightly said by Gaurav ji. You know, you name the, you know, designer to the social worker, everything was there.